guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Raxel and she is Inga, my wife. Today we are doing the donkey visit in our village in Germany.
Bring an apple,
Apples for the donkeys. Look guys, they are very excited for the apples.
This is the apple season, guys, so instead of getting waste of apples we feed the donkeys and also some other animals.
You want to feed?
Yeah.
Look at them, guys, how happy they are after eating the apples. Now they want to play with us also. They will come closer. Have a look.
No.
Let's see if he is allowing me to touch his forehead. They literally allow us to touch after having the apples. Guys, don't stop watching the video. Now me and my wife decided to go to feed the sheep.
So guys, after feeding the donkeys we decided to feed the sheep as well. Have a look. Look at the apples on the tree. Apple tree.
And my wife is plugging out some apples for feeding them. Look at the sheep, guys, how they come running when my wife throw the apples.
Throw shot.
I did
Look the sheep. They're very hungry for the apples.
So guys, that's it for today. If you like our videos, please do subscribe, like and share. Thanks for watching, guys. Ciao.